What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke. And today we're talking about the TIV app, how to get paid to play games, and a checking account. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video, because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. TIV app review, get paid the game, and get a checking account. Now, this is an awesome company that I've stumbled upon that helps gamers get paid, plus will assist you in getting a checking account through their system. You can earn $360 plus a year by doing something you already love, gaming. And when you get the TIV card, you earn 5 times the points, but these aren't airline points, okay? You don't redeem codes, you redeem cash. And this is one of the best things about TIV. TIV has a mobile app that will allow you to manage your money on the go or while playing your favorite games. TIV will insure your checking account with up to $250,000 in deposit insurance. TIV will provide you with a physical and virtual debit card. That's so you can easily freeze or unfreeze either card anytime you want, stopping fraud, okay? And the more you game, the more points you can claim. The reason is you can link your favorite player accounts to your TIV app and stack bonus points completing in-game quests. And the first 10,000 members get a limited edition metal card, which is awesome within itself, right? You can join right now by downloading the app off the iOS. It's free, okay, no cost. Check it out. If you're an Android user, then you can join the waiting list from the website. Again, this is a great way to get paid for gaming if you're a true gamer or just a novice. It's up to you. The link to download the app is in the description below. And if you want to join the Wealth Builders business newsletter and learn how to make more, save more, and build more, check out thewealthbuilders.com. There'll be a pop-up and you can join the Wealth Builders newsletter through the pop-up. Thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for the TIV app review. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what